Rahul Gandhi's statements on stage.
एक नाटक ये है, एक नाटक हाथी का है, दूसरा नाटक साइकिल का है। जादू का हाथी, उम्मीद की साइकिल, हाथी साइकिल, साइकिल हाथी।
Joining us now, social and human rights activist is with us, and
I think if this is going to be an honest debate, I should not be made to answer for everybody else.
Is always a consequence of someone else's motive.
क्योंकि हम जानते हैं पूरा दिन आप काम करते हो और फिर आपके बच्चे आधी रोटी खाते हैं, मगर आपकी यहाँ पे सरकार आपको धोखा देती है।
okay, let's raise that big question again. Has the contrast been reduced to a tamasha?
हमने पैसा भेजा इससे, क्या हुआ उसका? देश को लूटा, प्रदेश को लूटा, और फिर आते हैं वायदे करते हैं कि भाई ये कर देंगे, वो कर देंगे, हम आपसे एक वायदा करेंगे। आपकी सरकार आपसे चोरी करती है, अब तमाशा बंद करना है, प्रगति लानी है, विकास लाना है। इलेक्शन का समय है तो वायदे नहीं कर सकते, मगर हम आपसे एक वायदा करेंगे।
You think we should take him seriously? We cannot reduce all that he's done to a tamasha.
So in answer to your question, what am I doing about corruption? Congress President, Prime Minister have acted in a way that has not been done before. Let me give you some examples. Our chief ministers were sacked, removed on the spot. We have ministers in jail.
The fact that the television cameras are following him in the way they are could make it a media event.
No,
it's a made-for-TV event.
इसलिए मैं आपके घरों में खाना खाता हूँ, इसलिए मैं आपके कुएं का गंदा पानी पीता हूँ, तो मेरा मजाक उड़ाते हैं। कहते भैया राहुल गांधी गांव में जा रहा है, क्या हो गया इसको, पागल हो गया।
Can be effectively marketed. Isn't, in a sense, marketing it intelligently? We in the television media are lapping it up.
हमारी सरकार आई, पहला काम क्या किया हमने? मनरेगा, पूछिए मनरेगा से क्या फायदा होता है?
I do not buy that argument.
Was at best a misjudgment.
No, that is not enough. It's an error of judgment of enormous proportion.
मायावती जी खड़ी हो गई, कहती है रोजगार योजना से किसी को फायदा नहीं होगा, कांग्रेस पार्टी का नाटक। कब तक आप महाराष्ट्र में जाकर जीता होगा? कब तक आप जाकर पंजाब में मजबूरी करोगे?
But the Congress party strongly defended their leader's comments. Rahul Gandhi was merely pointing out the lack of opportunity in the state.
हमने यूपी के स्वाभिमान को जागृत किया है।
And you're saying that you missed the story because of an error of judgment.
उदाहरण देता हूं, एक महिला अस्पताल गई, बच्चा हुआ, बच्चा रख लिया और कहा तुम्हें बच्चा तभी मिलेगा जब हमें 1000 रुपए मिलेंगे।
Was it an error of judgment for you to not contact me before you wrote the story?
So they're not pretty.
No, they're not pretty. What?
लखनऊ में मायावती जी ने जादू किया है, पैसे खाने वाला हाथी डाल दिया वहां पे।
Okay, one compliment finally, but a bit of a sexist compliment I have to say. Oh, there's a lot of misogyny in this discourse in any case.
But still, that is secondary to the important question which I'm trying to ask you, which you have not answered.
I have answered that.
No, you
I
have
did
not
not think
answered that.
Swapan has.
Is there a particular cozy relationship you have with the Congress which allows expression of what the perceived political bias is and hence all the controversy? Because you played along, number one. Number two.
That's not unusual. I can corroborate. I'd like to respond.
Your pants in your shirt.
Politics is everywhere. It's in your shirt, it's in your pants, it's everywhere.